Hello, and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So the Doge chart has not really moved significantly in recent days, pretty much trendless at the moment, and we are watching here for the creation of a potential leading diagonal. So it would need to give us here some more signals. However, the white wave count is the bullish one. We're definitely watching for it because that's what we're doing for most other coins as well. I have to say, however, that this bottoming structure doesn't look very promising. It just doesn't look good. And the rally here of the June lows was just a large three-wave structure. All the rallies afterwards were just corrective, but we'll see. I mean, it's all about, okay, do we get another low here? Maybe another, let's say, marginally lower low in the yellow support area, or have we bottomed already? If we've bottomed, I would have to count this as some kind of a truncation, or I don't know, they need to think about something special. There's always a possibility, but it would be a pretty low probability scenario. But I have to take it, I have to use it then, it's what it is. But either way, I mean, also looking at price action, it's not very convincing at this stage that Doge has bottomed. So I can only highlight that. The next setup is likely going to be this orange support area. If we see a pullback, it's likely going to be this wave 4. And as long as we're holding the 6.77 cent level, a fifth wave rally towards possibly 9.7 or even 10.5 cents could occur. Below that 6.7 cent level, such a rally will reduce in likelihood quite significantly. It will not be invalidated, but a wave 4 that breaks below the golden ratio, you can't typically trust it really, okay? So we don't want to focus on that really when we break below that level. Until then, it is reasonable to watch for that fifth wave to the upside, and if we get it, then we can call that a wave 1, 5-wave move, and then we will be watching for the 3-wave corrective pullback for the next potential long trade setup. So that means if we get any pullback here in this region, we might from here see a rise in a fifth wave. It's just not a high probability setup or a high quality setup. A wave 4 typically is never really high quality. Typically we say in a wave 4, it's more about capital preservation because the major, let's say, most of the rally is typically done in a third wave. We'll see. I mean, in a diagonal, which this one is, most cryptos are currently following the same scenarios. We had some really good entries most recently. For example, BNB was a really good one, which rallied today in a wave 5. They're all similar structures, okay? And cryptos usually move in groups, so that's also a good signal. Because if even if you have a structure here like Doge, which isn't great, but that, like, let's say 50 other cryptos have done something similar, and it's just a little bit lagging behind, there's at least the likelihood that it will follow the same structure. But ideally, even in this third wave, I would ideally like to see it push a little higher. Because it really only did the bare minimum for a third wave. It really just pushed above the wave 1 high. Ideally at least 9.3 cents, to be honest, in the third wave. Okay, that's my update about Doge. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.